Hey everyone, I'm Pranav and today I'm diving into the fascinating world of long context language models. This is a part of my entry for a Kaggle competition where we are pushing boundaries with Google Gemini 1.5 model.
Oh, you mean your boundaries of procrastination?
Yeah, meet my AI assistant Francis, a sarcastic bundle of code who thinks it's funny.
I'm just here to keep things interesting while you try not to bore them.
Okay, so this year Google introduced Gemini 1.5, a next generation AI model with an astonishing 2 million token context window. To put that into perspective, it can process equivalent to entire novel and its clip notes at the same time.
Basically, it's like me remembering every word you've said since we met without zoning out halfway through.
Yeah, exactly, Francis. And today we are diving deep into what makes Gemini 1.5 and long context windows so revolutionary. We can process large files such as novels, videos, audios without any RAG models and complexity. Isn't that awesome, Francis?
All your rambling thoughts without needing a mental break. No rag models, no complexity, just pure genius.
So to understand long context windows, let's start with basics, that is context window. In simple terms, they define how much information an AI model can see and process at once.
Think of it as your goldfish memory, but slightly less embarrassing. Traditional models max out around 2,000 to 128,000 tokens, barely enough to get through your longest emails.
Right. So Gemini 1.5 changes this, processing up to 2 million tokens. This leap makes it possible to handle entire books, multiple documents, and hours of videos, all without breaking a sweat. Now, why do we need long context window?
Because Pranav, life isn't a 280 character tweet. Real world problems need models that can connect the dots across massive datasets.
Exactly. Long context windows are essential to retain contextual integrity without losing any information, resulting in high quality responses from the LLM, unlike Francis.
Nice try, Pranav. But at least I don't lose my train of thought after 2 minutes like some people.
Oh, yeah, right. Now let's talk about caching, a feature that supercharges long context models. Imagine you are reading a book and marking important sections with
It's
sticky
like
notes.
you, except unlike you, Gemini doesn't lose those notes. Caching saves processed chunks of context, so the model doesn't waste time reprocessing them.
Great point. Cache tokens are treated as prefix to prompts. Design your queries to naturally follow the cache context and then are passed together for further processing.
So it's like adding a helpful bookmark to your query. That way, the model doesn't start from scratch every time, making everything faster and smoother.
Yeah, right. So let's discuss the use case. Work can feel like a scavenger hunt. Hours of meetings, scattered files, and endless notes. Finding the right information, a total time sink. That's where unified multimodal analysis with Gemini 1.5 steps in. Upload videos, documents, or even entire YouTube playlist and get precise information instantly, timestamps, and page numbers along with that. Isn't it saving the time and sanity?
Oh, definitely. Because who doesn't love hunting through mountains of data when you could just have a model like Gemini doing the heavy lifting? Basically, saving you from the chaos of your own disorganization.
Yeah, correct. Our data processing pipeline efficiently handles diverse data formats such as video, audio, images, and documents. Each format undergoes specialized preprocessing, transcription of videos, audio extraction, content parsing, and image analysis before being seamlessly integrated into a unified context. This structured approach ensures optimized input for the Gemini model, enabling accurate and insightful responses.
So it's like your messy desk getting organized. Everything gets sorted, tagged, and ready for easy access. No more sifting through piles of files. Just pure, efficient processing for Gemini to work its magic.
Correct. Our model workflow integrates content with Gemini's caching mechanism to optimize query handling. Preprocessed data is stored in the cache, reducing redundant processing and improved efficiency. User queries interact with the cache data via Gemini chat, delivering structured and precise output tailored to the input context.
Caching. Because who has time to process the same thing twice? It's like having a super efficient assistant that remembers everything and makes sure you never have to repeat yourself.
Yeah, just like you. So, we use new prompting technique called as corpus in context, in which start and end tokens are added so that model can differentiate between the types of content such as video, audio, image, and text documents.
So you're basically telling the model, hey, this is where the video starts and this is where the audio ends. Keeps everything nice and tidy, unlike your last attempt at organizing your files.
Exactly, Francis. But I'm fascinated to see developments in future. Now, if you are inspired to try this yourself, check out the Gemini 1.5 API and my notebook as well. Links are in the description. Make innovative use of Gemini 1.5 models.
Yeah, please check it out. Or, just hire this genius to do it for you.
Haha, yeah, goodbye, friends.
Goodbye, Pranav's friends. Don't worry, I'll be here to make sure he doesn't mess things up too bad.